So here's an interesting problem I just ran into. Say you are joining a Google Sheet. Maybe someone shared it with you, or you're joining a company and they have some Google Sheets already created. And there's a sheet that has cell in A1, this number, and you want to iterate it to 3. And B1 is connected to a lot of other stuff. So you don't want to mess with it. But all you want to do is iterate A1 one at a time. And you don't want to have to do this like with so many clicks, right? I think it's like 3 or 4 clicks I'm doing right now. 5, hit 6, hit enter, click again, hit 7. So that's like 3 clicks. Can I do this in a third of the clicks? Can I save 66% of my time and iterate through this number without affecting this B1 and without having to go through the entire sheet dealing? Yes, I think that the answer here is an app script. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, I want to change the background and everything of this. I'm going to use sheet styles. And I'm going to do this in one click. You'll see I want to just make it a little easier to look at. There we go. But I'm going to go to app script. Let's see what we have in app script. I'm going to write a little app script very quickly in real time here. And all we need to do is we need to do, I guess, 2 things. One, we can create a menu here, but then that's going to be the same amount of clicks, like 3 or 4 clicks, actually more clicks probably, to iterate this. But we want to do a button here. So we can insert a drawing, and let's do something like this shape. Oh, actually, let's just do this. Let's fill this in. There we go. Save and close. There we go, we got our plus sign, and we just want to go into this little cell here, put it next to this cell, maybe even make this cell bigger. But over here, we're going to be able to, on this 3 dots, on this drawing, we'll be able to assign a script. What is that script going to be? It's going to be this. We're going to write it in real time here. Get ready, just open up app script. It's going to say function my function. All we need to do is, let's say, add to A1, let's call it that. We're going to get, first off, we need variable number equals spreadsheet app. And we can use IntelliSense here. We can just hit enter, get active spreadsheet, get sheet by name. The sheet by name is going to be sheet 1, of course, because we haven't changed the sheet name. Sheet 1. We need also the range. Get range, A1, in quotes. And we need the value, get value. So this, all of this, just gets whatever number is in A1 and brings it here. And we're going to go variable new number. It's going to be a little verbose. You probably can do it a different way, but this is going to be simple. Variable new number equals number plus 1. And what we want to do is we want to take all of this, paste it here, but we're going to change one thing. We're going to change get value to set value, and the value we want to set is the new number. That is it. Hit Command S or hit Save Project up here, and we can actually run this without having to assign it, just to double check. If there's any errors or anything, we might have to authorize it. We'll see in a hot second. Yeah, we do have to authorize here. Review permissions. Select our account. Allow. It's just editing and creating sheets with this spreadsheet app function. That's all we need. Let's see. We iterated the number. Okay, so now take this name, this function add to A1, the exact name that you named it, not the function, but the actual text here, add to A1. I'm going to click on the 3 dots of this plus sign, assign script, and all we have to do is paste that text there. Click OK, and let's see if this is going to work. And there we go. Now we have just one click. We are iterating A1, and that's all we're iterating. Of course, B1 is changing because it's connected through many different sources, many different sheets, many different functions and custom stuff. But now we have a pretty cool little iterator here. Really fun thing. And if you're looking to iterate or add numbers to anything, this might have been very helpful for you. If you're a Better Sheets member, down below at bettersheets.co is this exact sheet. You can copy it to your Google Drive. And if you're not a member, become a member today. And if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and watch another video here. There's tons of videos here about Google Sheets and doing cool stuff. But also check out Spreadsheet Automation 101 course to take you from zero, knowing nothing, to knowing something about automating your Google Sheets. Bye.